again I am making one video for you. This is the fourth video. In this video I will say about the next property of triangle. Which property? Sum of any two sides in is greater than the third side in a triangle. Okay. You know, a triangle is possible to draw when any two sides, sum of any two sides will be greater than the third side. If it is less than or equal, that time it is not possible. So before, and I will prove this theorem. Okay, before doing prove the theorem, we have to know some inequality relation of the triangle. What is inequality relation? Inequality relation of triangle. What there is, if you draw any triangle, any kind of triangle you have drawn, if any two sides unequal, they are not equal, if any two sides of triangle unequal, then obviously the opposite angle of greater side will be greatest and the opposite side of smaller angle will be smaller. Okay, such as I am taking here AB and AC. Here we can see in this figure AB less than AC. Okay, so according to the relation, the opposite angle of AB what? C, and opposite angle of AC is B. So according to the relation, we can say angle C less than B. So imply we can say angle C less than AB. Okay, and it converse also is true. When any angle, if I write angle B, not AB. If we write angle C, we can write this also angle B greater than angle C. And similarly, converse part also it is right. If there is given angle B greater than angle C, you can write it opposite side. Or the greater angle is this one, that is its opposite side what? AC. AC, and AC will be greater than opposite angle. This angle opposite side is what? AB. AB will be smaller. So what is the relation of inequality of triangle? If any two sides unequal, they are not equal, then what will be there? The smaller opposite angle of smaller side will be smaller and opposite angle of greater side will be greater. That's why I have written angle C less than angle B. Oppositely we can write angle B greater than angle C. Here also, if it is given conversely, where anywhere given angle B greater than angle C, then converse part we can say its opposite side greater and its opposite side is smaller. That's why I have taken B, opposite side of B is what? AC, and opposite side of C is AB. That's why I have written AC greater than AB. Now I will prove the property sum of any two sides is greater than the third side in a triangle. First we have to draw a triangle. Any triangle you will draw. I have taken one triangle A, B, C. Okay. Okay, now I have taken one triangle ABC and I will show the sum of any. What we have to do? Let first you have to write let ABC be a triangle. Okay. What we have to prove? We have to prove AB plus AC greater than BC. AC plus BC greater than AB, and AB plus BC greater than AC. Okay, we have to prove this. So now before proof, we have to draw a construction we have to do. Here we will produce the side BC in such a way where AC will be BC to D, in such a way where AC equal to CD. Okay, so when these two sides are equal, obviously these two angles also equal. It becomes isosceles triangle. Okay. So first I have done construction. Okay. So what construction I have done? You have seen. So I have taken AC. ABC is produced to D in such a it is equal to AC. So from triangle ACD, in triangle ACD, what we can say? Angle CAD equal to angle ADC. We get, because we know the which sides are equal in an isosceles triangle, which sides are equal, their opposite angle also equal. So obviously we can write these two angles are equal. That's why I have written CAD equal to ABC. Now add CAB or BAC you can write. Now I am doing BAC add. BAC plus CAD. If you add BAC with CAD, obviously this sum will be greater than ADC. So I am writing this ABC. We have to prove this. Okay, ADC. So if you add this angle and this angle, what you are getting? BAD. So I am getting BAD triangle. Sorry, BAD angle greater than ADC. And in theorem inequality relation of triangle, we know which angle is greater, its opposite side will be greater. So BAD, this angle, its opposite side is BD. So we can write here BD greater than ADC. ADC, which angle? This one. So its opposite what? AB. In the place of ADC, we have written here ADC angle. In the place of ADC, we can write also ADB. So we can write here ADB also, because they are similar angles. When you will take ADB, then you can write the opposite side AB of the angle ADB. So in this place we will write AB. Okay. Now BD equal to what? BC plus CD. So you can write BC plus CD greater than AB. But in the construction, what we have taken? CD is drawn by taking equality with AC. So in the place of CD, we can write BC plus AC greater than AB. We can write or not? So as student, I think you have understood this. Again I am repeating this. In this construction, what I have done? I have taken CD equal to AC. Okay, BC is produced to be taking equal with AC. Okay. Then after drawing, what you are getting? ACD triangle. In ACD triangle, these two sides equal. So obviously these two angles also equal, because these are in an isosceles triangle. Which sides are equal? Their opposite angle are equal. So on the basis of this, I have written this line. Now I have add BAC. BAC angle I have add with CAD. Then what I am getting? BAD. So from this you can say obviously BAC plus CAD will be greater than ADC. I have written this. Now in the place of ADC we can write ADB. Then you can take, when this angle is greater, so obviously its opposite side will be greater. This angle is smaller, so obviously this opposite side will be smaller according to the inequality relation of triangle. When two sides are unequal, this relation will be verified. And BD means we can write BC plus CD. I have written this, BC plus CD greater than AB. And CD is drawn by taking the equal with AC. That's why in the place of CD I can write AC. Now BC plus AC greater than AB. Okay. So this is proof. See, there one property is proved. So similarly, these two also can be proved. So we can say it is proved also in this way. If you produce AB equal the angle. If you produce this in this side, then you can prove the next two also. Okay, in the similar way. So student, in the similarity we can say that these two are also proved. So from this we can say sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So student, thank you.